international painter.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely, yes.
Don't confine me into such Lahore. You know?
I guess Lahore takes such pride in you that we like to, claim whoever is from here that they are ours.
Because अभी claim करना शुरू किया है.
Exactly. I understand that
people,
it has been a struggle.
the foreigners and this Boklong ambassador came to my place. They accepted first. They accepted, but इनको थोड़ी सी देर समय, it doesn't matter. Because it doesn't matter, कोई बात नहीं.
And you seem to be above it anyway. I mean, you saw your hardships and all, but the acceptance and the recognition is here.
I don't claim शिकायतें करनी ये करना. I don't want to do that.
How do you respond to the fact that a lot of people, when they introduce you, and I didn't introduce you that way, but a lot of people, anywhere that I read, they claim, controversial artists. I mean, how do you respond to that?
I don't. What's bring them into controversial? What's wrong in it? Tell me one point where I'm controversial. I'm painting a simply woman. The fact of the area, there's reality in it. How come I'm controversial?
I mean, that's exactly what I think too, and I chucked it out. I thought not at all.
Why people call me controversial painter? They guilt themselves then inside they are. They think I'm a controversial. I'm not a controversial painter. What's wrong in my paintings? They're civilized. They hold the card of ID of Pakistan, ID card. And my painting ordinary woman sitting on the sofa or sitting everywhere, and he becomes a controversial.
I guess, and you would know better than anyone else that sometimes honesty, being very honest and very open about who you are, what you paint, and the way you paint. We are showing, by the way, some of your paintings here as well. Also pinches people. So that in itself, if you don't if you don't, wrap it around very rosy colored, hues, people can't adjust to that. They can't digest it.
Okay. No, I believe in that. I'm very happy about that. The painting which hits you over here and you're disturbed. It's not a pretty decorative walls, It's not a pleasing thing. When you come tired home and all the sofa matching paper, and should be pleasing painting of some colorful thing. There's a pride over
everything blending in together.
You Picasso you have Picasso, I have this. See what is reality. How we make our own culture. Who's going to paint our people? You might like or not. It doesn't matter. Such could, jitna bhi when you could. It will come like a volcano out.
Absolutely.
Maybe you're 50 years to it. Then you can't do it anything. It's already there. It's already spreading everywhere in this side.
Absolutely.
So it took me a long way. I never give up. Demoralized. So many things. It's a very long story about that. But this paintings which I'm doing, it's a moral. It's a message for younger painters also. Come on, come forward for love of country. We are much better than neighbors painters.
So how do you pick your models? I mean, I was just going through this book and I would like the people to actually, at least have a look at the front. It's a very impressive book. And I was just flicking through it as well. And the first picture I saw was somebody I recognized. And I was just thinking, I will show it to our viewers as well. Obviously, it's in it. Can people come to you and ask you to paint them, or do you pick your models?
No. Can you show the back side of the painting? You see, here I'm also.
This is the back.
No, here are the three painters, right? On the left is Rembrandt, on the right is Delacroix. So I placed myself
in the middle.
Yes, take Bal Hussain between us.
Oh, lovely. It's by the...
So this is very pinching also. What the hell he thinks himself between Rembrandt.
Very interesting.
Yeah, but I liked it, Nothing wrong in it.
Why not? Absolutely.
My paintings is distinguished, different isliye that these people, whoever the great painters the Europeans are, there was no content in it, There was just pretty pictures, big walls of Rubens and all that. Have you seen the Frag Rubens? But they lack the spirit in it.
The soul.
The soul. And what I'm doing from reality, what observing the life around me, the fear of aging, children lost generations and all that. I'm looking after that, as long as I live, as my commitment to these people.
Absolutely. I mean, there is no doubt about the fact that you are really taking care of the community, and you have given a new role. You have made it acceptable for, some classes of society to actually go there. So you have given that.
There's a bone in the throat. You can't take it out.
You can't take it in. That is true.
So here it has come now. They can't. I'm painting the diverse standards of the society also in one way. So isliye they're a little embarrassed and try to far away from. But how long? You can't burn my painting. You can't throw my painting.
That is, I totally agree with you in that sense that nobody can take that away from you. But that the acceptance and accessibility that they get to go to some certain areas of Lahore is thanks to you that they go. And it's almost, I'm sorry if I put it this way, it's almost fashionable. that
It's a
way
status
to go.
symbol now,
Oh,
supposed to be.
absolutely. It is a status symbol to go. I would like to show a painting here which I thought instantly recognizable. And I asked you as well, Faryal Gohar's painting here. Can you see it? This one? So when I asked you that people, do they come up to you and ask you to paint them,
No,
or you
something which fascinates me. I painted her so many times. Or I've been sold on one of the paintings she wanted. She's been very close to me also. Since 1984, when my exhibition was thrown out in Zia regime, and it was a payment show also, she wrote "Wheel Behind the Wheels." No?
Right,
From that she
right.
fascinated by her personality, and she's so stunning and beautiful. And I went to paint her at house also. Then she came to my studio also. So it's quite a good relationship we have. Oh,
What do
जी.
you look for? I mean, I understand that obviously we are going to be reading that a lot in the book as well. But what is the first thing that attracts you in a woman? And I will ask you that because there is a story. Yes, we all know there is a story behind it as well. But when you visually look, what are you looking at? Is it the eyes? Is it something behind the
No,
eyes?
I can't say anything about it. The experiences of you see, I can't paint suddenly किसी को लाके ना, okay, very good looking and it is. It's not a Barbie doll painting. उसको बिठा दिया लाके showcase painting and ये बड़ी fly. You can see the difference between the painting of a elite class woman and a pretty woman. दो चार है बीच में, I'll show you over there. ना? और उसका style बैठने का, और वो जो casual सी बैठी हुई है ना. And that casually thing, and I will share because suppose no, if I suppose I want to paint you, right, and you're looking very in this style, it's not betting, yeah, but I can't share my inner feelings with you, no. उनके साथ आते हैं models आती हैं, I have a community होती है ना जी.
हाँ, you have to speak, you have to know them.
No, you're more comfortable also. They're dancing and here and there, jokes going on. But you have to be very formal. I painted a US ambassador also, commission paintings and all that, but you have to be very, very, tough and that.
But
Here,
is that fun?
no, it's not fun.
It's not satisfying.
It's a duty.
I can imagine. I can imagine.
not a
Because
fun.
obviously, when we see your paintings, and there is a soul, there is a life in
There's
it.
certain
life of
factions
its own.
come in them. इस तरह नहीं होता कि अचानक किसी को मैं देख लिया. I keep on observing, meeting them people on maybe young girls or whatever. The महीना दो महीने बाद चलती, then the paintings come out with that. Otherwise, just वो फीकी बना तो दूंगा मैं, rosy cheeks and pink lips and all that, but that won't be from her heart. Okay, she commissioned me or whatever it is. And after that, suppose you कोई आता है ये paint करना मुझे 8 days 10 days okay, then it's okay then. But after painting they have a tried interaction with each other for years and years, from the area, young girls to old age, they have an interaction and keep on telling the stories and all
One
that.
thing I want to ask you in my final question, because we have to wrap this up. Does your painting ever finish? I mean, when do you know that the painting has finished?
It's very difficult to say, but certain, some there's certain paintings which is sensitive painting can't be shown. It is done in 15 minutes. A quick sketch, because I have canvases all the time, from 6 inches to large canvases. It depends on the opportunity I'm having it. The model is in what mood she is.
Yeah,
She's dancing
right,
mood or a
right.
little bit having a diet 7-up, right? And then I have to be very quick at that. And she said, look, I'm here, and it is in a mood. The late, kabhi to बैठी हुई, then pick up the quick sketches and 15-20 minutes, 10 minute sketches. And the serious painting going on, like I was doing some, still doing larger paintings, but it takes time. Aram se you have to do the painting.
Lovely. Okay, we are going to ask people to definitely get hold of this book. And where is it available?
It's only available at Maya Cuckoos.
Okay. Oh, lovely. So you have to go to Cuckoos,
and-
which is a great experience anyway.
And all this sale, the price is of 3,500 rupees, but all this sale goes to the sex work of the community.
Yeah, of course.
In all this
Okay, we are going to put up all this information on our Facebook page, so you know exactly where to get it, how much to get it for, and you absolutely have to get. It's almost like a collector's edition, I must say. Thank you very much for coming
Welcome.
here.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again, and we look forward to having you back. once
Okay,
more.
thank you.
All right, we are going to catch you in just a bit. Lovely. back quickly now. I've been told we have no time at all. It's a very short and sweet show, I must say. Quotation for you guys, and it is going to be on our screens very soon because I cannot find it in my papers. I don't know, for some reason. Here it is, Jalaluddin Muhammad Rumi. This world's existence is one night long. There's a great lively gathering that night, but some people sleep through it. How wonderful, how poignant, how deep. Very nice. And I must again say here that if you guys have something to share with us, please do send in and we would run your quotations with your name. Word now for you guys, and quickly we have this word and something very short. You can pick it up right away and use it during the day. Roll drums please. The word of the day is quip. Quip is the word of the day. Quip is means a short witty comment, can be pleasant, wise or sarcastic. And we have a couple of sentences. He was quick to fire off quips and comebacks. Kind of a tongue twister, so I'll give you another example. We buy mugs that have quips imprinted on them. Very simply put. We have to simplify it so you know exactly what we mean. Now, I read a research yesterday and I wondered if it would shock anyone. Tell me honestly what you think. According to a recent survey conducted in the UK, 4 in 10 workers admit that they would prefer for a colleague to lose their job than to take a pay cut themselves. Yes, it's true. Now, this ruthless approach of a large proportion of employees has highlighted how money is the main motivating factor in workplace for many people. And I was just thinking that I'm going to leave you with this question, whether you would do that too. So I'm going to put it up on our Facebook page, whether you would rather that somebody lost their job as long as you did not have to take a cut in your salary. Think about that one. Let me know what you think and I'll catch you tomorrow. Seize the day.